Are you on your way to Marriott's Canyon Villas and you want to see what a one-bedroom villa looks like? Well, stick around. We're going to check out this one right after this. All right, we're going to jump right into this video and we're going to head inside this one-bedroom villa here at Marriott's Canyon Villas at Desert Ridge in Phoenix, Arizona. The first thing we're going to take a look at here when we get inside is the kitchen. Pretty good sized kitchen here. Lots of counter space. You do have your full set of appliances, stovetop, oven, microwave, refrigerator, and a dishwasher there as well. Also has a pretty good sized kitchen sink. The kitchen is also outfitted with a number of small appliances. You have a toaster, coffee maker, and blender here as well. In the cabinets here, you do have a set of dinnerware and glassware for 6 people. In the drawers, we're also going to notice here in just a little bit, there is also silverware and additional cooking utensils as well. Down in the cabinets below, you do have a full set of pots and pans, and they also provide you with some cleaning supplies in the cabinet under the sink. Located right next to the kitchen behind the closet door is where you're going to find the in-room laundry. Stacked, high-efficiency washer and dryer here. Now let's go past a couple of stools that push up to the countertop there, a bar area in the kitchen, to take a look at the dining room table. The dining room table here does seat 6, and it actually has some pretty good dining room chairs, nicely cushioned, unlike many other resorts that we've been to. Now we'll make our way into the living room. We just have a sofa that does pull out into a queen size sofa bed, a couple of side tables, some lamps, and a chair in here as well, along with a coffee table. And one of the other things in here, you do have a TV stand with a monstrous flat screen television up on top, accompanied by a Blu-ray player, and it's all hooked up to DirecTV. Now let's move into the bedroom. You do have a king-size bed, some nightstands, some lamps. There is an alarm clock there, and some exposed electrical and USB charging ports as well. And in the bedroom here, you do also have a chest of drawers, again with a very large flat screen television, Blu-ray player, and again, DirecTV. Beside the television, you do have a pretty good sized closet here. It contains the vacuum, some additional bedding, as well as an ironing board, and it's also where you'll find the in-room safe. Now we're going to head in and start taking a look at the bathroom. There's kind of a separated area here outside the main bathroom area where you just have a single vanity with a bowl sink there, lighted mirror, and across from that is where you'll find a pretty good sized soaking tub. No jets that I could find here. Now let's move into the main area of the bathroom here, a separate room from where we just were, where you'll find another single vanity, another bright mirror, some toiletries, plenty of towels. The toilet is in here as well, and it's also where you'll find a pretty good size walk-in shower. Now that we've seen the inside of the villa, you know what that means. It's time to step outside. We're going to take a look at the patio. All right, we've now made it out here to the patio of this one-bedroom villa here at Marriott Canyon Villas. It is actually just the one-bedroom side of the full two-bedroom lock-off. It is covered overhead. We are on the top floor, so it is nice to have that overhead cover. A lot of top floors, and the studio side doesn't have that, so it is really nice. 4 chairs and a table, an electrical outlet. Not too bad, actually. It is pretty hot because it is summer, but other than that, not too bad of a patio here. Fairly good size. But if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. It really does help out these videos, helps sell YouTube great videos, push them out to more people interested in timeshare. And if you want to see more videos about timeshare, check out the description box below. For another video about Marriott's Canyon Villas, check out this one right up here and YouTube. They're sure you'll like that one down there. Be sure to subscribe. You can do so by clicking on my picture right here. Hit that notification bell. And until next time, let's make your next destination a timeshare.